Welcome back to the channel, YouTube friends. My name is Fred Bergeron from Inaxsys. I'm the head of tech support, and in today's video, I want to show you another very interesting and important device for an Ajax Systems. Is the MotionCam outdoor. As you can see, this comes with the hub, all right, and it's designed to work well in hot and cold environments, so it's perfect for our country here, and also it's just basically an IP55 device. Like I said, it's an outdoor device, and you can basically with this device you can reduce false alarms because it's has some systems internally that will detect false alarms and also make sure that only real alarms are sent. All right, and also when there's a subject in front of the camera, the motion cam will allow you to get up to 3 snapshots of that subject. Okay. Now, let's have a look at how we can program this device and what features are in it. From the main menu of the app, the Ajax app, all right, under Devices, you want to click on Add Device, like this. Let's give this a name. Oops. All right. Make sure the app is allowed to use the camera. You want to open the back plate, all right? And you can see we have the QR code, all right, and the power button. So the first thing is to, with the camera inside the app, get a good shot of the QR code, like that. Press the power button until you see the blinking green light. Add. And hold on. We're in the system and it's now listed as a device. You want to close the lid so that the tamper switch is fully closed. Okay, so now the device is ready to be used. Okay, so let's have a look at the device settings. Now you can only change the settings when the system is disarmed, okay, which is the case for me right now. Okay, so from the status page, you have the signal strength, if the device is online, and so on, okay, and the lid status, for instance. Now if we press the settings button, like other intrusion devices, you have the entry and exit delay settings in seconds. If you want to arm this device in night mode, which is typically the case because it's an outdoor motion detector, all right, and by default the sensitivity is normal. For this test I'll just make it higher. It'll be easier for me to trigger alarm because it's not installed in the proper environment. I'm going to move in front of it and trigger alarms. Okay, and then you can have the setting for how many screenshots you can have. So it's from 1 to 5 actually in this case. Okay, and it's default at 3. So every time there's motion detected, you're going to get 3 snapshots that you can view from within the app. Okay, now let me show you what happens when the system is armed and there is a subject or motion in front of the motion cam outdoor. Okay, so let's arm the system with the remote from the app, like this. If you want to get the sound and notification activation, you have to have the app minimized, otherwise you will just see the event under events. So the system now is armed. Okay, and that makes a motion like this. As I said, it's not installed in a real world environment, so the device is ignoring my alarms mainly because it's intelligent and it's designed to detect false alarms. So I have to stop moving it. Now it's an alarm. All right, so I can open the app by tapping on the notification, and then you can see the new alarm, and it's now getting the snapshots from the motion. So I have 2 out of 3 downloaded, and now I have my events here. I can either view it in a slideshow or I can press the button to have the 3 different shots separately. All right, so this was how we can actually program, arm, and test a motion cam outdoor. Okay, my name is Fred Bergeron from Inaxsys. Thanks for watching this video. As we said before, please subscribe to the channel, get the notifications when we have new content. If you have any suggestions, comments, questions, please send them below. I'll be more than happy to help you or to find someone that will help you in terms of maybe sales, if you're interested in the product. Okay. Remember, we now have the Ajax System products available for sale on our website, inaxsys.com. Thanks for watching.